Hello guys, if you attended my last live Volatility 75 trading session and you are wondering how I made $1,000 plus trading live and direct, then you need to watch this video to the end, because after the trading experience, I've been getting so many messages from my WhatsApp, on my WhatsApp, asking me how I was able to know that it is going to go in that trend for long, and how I kept on opening orders at every opportunity that I saw. Okay, and at the end of the day, I closed the trade in I closed all my orders when I made a little bit above $1,000. If you are wondering how I did this successfully, then you need to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to pull off the curtain. I'm going to reveal to you how I did my analysis using the same settings I used during the trading session. Okay, I'm going to show you all this so that you will understand how to go about it, and I'll also give you some tips on how to trade successfully without having any hiccups on this. Okay, so first, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is the platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, more especially in the forex niche. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. Make sure you grab a few tips there and practice and perfect your skills before you try them out on your real account. This is very, very vital and important. If you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you will also find them in the description box below this video. Okay, quickly, let's check out what is happening in the market so that we will know how to go about it. But before doing that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's head on to the trading platform so that we get to see what is happening in the market. Then later on, we come to what we have for today totally. Okay, first of all, we are trying to check out boom 1000. For boom 1000, it is presently, it's been on uptrend. You can see it started the uptrend from this section, from this support level, and got to this. You can see the blue line. The blue line always signifies that the market is on uptrend at that particular time. Okay, but right now you can see it is changing from blue to yellow. The reason is it has broken out successfully. This sell signal broke out successfully from this from the line, from this support level, which means that it might go back on downtrend if it eventually breaks out from this support level. Okay, so this is very, very vital and important, so make sure you do your analysis very well. I have used the signal indicator to do my analysis well, so you too, you can use whatever indicator you have to do your analysis. And if you have the signal indicator, good for you. Okay, but it is at the resistance level, and you can see the blue line changing to yellow line already, just waiting for it to break this support level. If it breaks this support level, then we should see it coming down on a downtrend. So let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, using the crusher indicator for this, it's been on downtrend from this region. We can see that after getting to this resistance level, it started crashing down. You can see the red area region here, so which means it's on downtrend, but we got a buy signal here. Probably it's trying to pull up back on an uptrend. Okay, there is a support level, but let's see if it will break out from this resistance level. If it breaks out from this resistance level, then we should be having a very long uptrend. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 500, and I'm using the QDC scraper indicator for this. It is presently on uptrend. You don't need to think twice before you know this. The reason is this area is already green, and you can see all the spikes happening around that area. Okay, before it can come back on downtrend, it would, even if it's going to be for a short period, it will have to break these 4 MA candles. That is why this setup is totally complete. Okay, you can always do your analysis with any of these. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator. NT indicator has been on a very long downtrend right from here. Okay, after getting to this resistance level, it started coming down. This is 1 hour time frame. You can imagine being in the market from here to this level. Okay, this is 71 candles. You can see that is for 71 good hours. Okay, that is more than 3 days. This is amazing. So at the moment, it is on a very long downtrend. All support levels are being broken. So I will be stopping here with my analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, which is how I made $1,000 trading volatility 75 for long. Okay, I did a quick stuff at the early parts, and I decided to go on a live trade with volatility 75. Those that joined me on the live trade saw the way I placed my trade, but I didn't say much. I was just placing my trade because I saw the opportunity. I tried to let them know how to go about it, but after the trading sessions, I started having different questions, how I did my analysis, how I went about it, that I didn't give full explanation when the trading session was going on. Okay, so I'm going to do that now so that you guys will understand how I did it. Okay, so let's go straight to the trading platform so that you will see exactly how I did it. Okay, this is volatility 75. All I did was to bring it down to 1 hour time frame. Okay, and all I did was just to let you know that within 1 hour you can always milk the market successfully. You can actually use different strategies to trade this successfully, but I'll tell you this. Okay, check out this. We got our trend on downtrend around this region. Okay, but we got our sell from here. I can definitely come in here and trade, but if I should miss this opportunity, let's say I decide to come in here and trade, I will have to get out of the market as it is approaching the 4 MA candles, because the 4 MA candles can take it back on uptrend, because as you can see, it is just coming from a very long uptrend. So you need to be very careful. It might take some time before it breaks out from those strong support levels, and take it down to, which we take it down to a full downtrend. Okay, so but remember, this is 1 hour time frame. Even trading from here to here, even using the smallest lot size, can give you over $200 or probably $150. Okay, so this is amazing. But this is it. Check out here. I just decided to wait for it to break out from this support level. How do I know the support level? You can see the 4 MA candles trying to form the support level. When it broke out from there successfully, I came in and placed my sell order. You can see it going down and going down and going down. So this actually went for 15 hours. Okay, it actually went for 15 hours. So you can be in the market for a very long time, for as long as that. So if I didn't go close my trade, definitely I will make even more profits than that. Okay, another opportunity is here. Okay, because all these are breakout actions, but just because the market is on downtrend, I don't usually trust a buy signal around this region, because it might not go for long, and if you are the busy type, you might get it wrong at that particular time. But if it is a sell signal, we got a sell signal here. If you miss the opportunity to come in, immediately the sell signal came out from, the sell signal popped out, then you can come in after the breakout action. It got broken here, then you can be in the market for as long as this, because each time it breaks out from a support level, you see it selling for long, and each time it breaks out from each time it breaks out from a resistance, from a support level, you see it selling for long, and each time it breaks out from a resistance level, you see it buying for a very long time. Okay, this is another opportunity. It breaks out from there and it's sold to this level. So you can see, you can always have this over and over. There is another opportunity that will likely come up here. If you are the type that have been in the market all this while and you are having this indicator, you got your sell signal here and the trend is showing red, definitely you should know that it should sell. And where can you close your trade? You close your trade as it is approaching the 4 MA candles. This actually gave us 2 good hours, so this is cool enough for you to make some profit for yourself. But let's say after closing it at the 4 MA candles, wait for it to break out from the 4 MA candles. Once it breaks out from the 4 MA candles, then you should see it selling for a very long time, at least to this session, before turning back. That will be for like 5 to 8 hours before turning back. So that is how I did my analysis. That is how I placed all my trade and I closed. And each time I'm getting a pullback, I see it as an opportunity to place another order. See, you can see here on this particular candle, you can see each time I'm getting a pullback, I was placing another order. That is why I had so many orders placed here. And first of all, I need you to know that this is an highly volatile market, okay, or asset, okay. So you need to have a strong capital and use a reasonable lot size for you to place multiple order, okay. I'm having large trading capital, and I'm using a very good lot size to trade. I was even using almost, it's not the lowest, but at least it is very close to the lowest lot size, okay. I was using 0.004, so it's very close to the smallest lot size that I can use on this platform, okay. But I was able to milk the market with it, even with as small as with the way the lot size is small, I was still able to make over $1,000 with it, okay. You can see here, you can see each time I'm having a pullback, I place another order, and once it gets to where it is coming from, I close it. Each time I'm having a pullback, I place another order. So that is the way I did it, and you can also do the same thing and make some profit for yourself, okay. So I want you to go back to your trading platform, go back to your demo account, try to have this set up on your demo account and trade alongside with it. Practice and perfect your skill first before you try it out on your real account. So I want you to practice it on your demo account, and if you must watch this video over and over again for you to understand everything explained in this video, kindly do so. And if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and you can send message to me via WhatsApp and I will reply you as soon as possible, okay. As you can see, let me quickly give you a quick recap on that again. I noticed that this is going on the sell trend or on a downtrend, so I follow the sell signal. If I miss out from the sell signal, I will follow the breakout action, okay. So check it out. I got the breakout action from here and it went for a very long time. So I close my trade once I see a buy signal coming up. Remember, on the sell signal. So everything on this setup works together for your good, okay. So I will be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.